Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English to Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Welcome back, friends.
Today's topic is powerful.
Very powerful.
Today, we talk about something that controls your whole life.
Your brain.
Yes.
And today, we ask one big question.
How can you train your brain to win?
Emma, when people hear the word win, they think of money
Or success.
or becoming famous.
But winning is bigger than that.
Very true.
Winning can mean waking up early,
Finishing your work.
learning English,
Controlling anger.
staying focused,
Fighting fear.
becoming better than yesterday.
So first, let us understand one truth.
Your brain is like a muscle.
If you train it, it becomes stronger.
If you ignore it, it becomes weak.
Just like the body.
Many people lose before they even start
Why?
because their brain says,
I am tired.
I can't do it.
Maybe tomorrow.
This is too hard.
I will fail.
Slowly, negative thoughts control life.
Emma, is the brain really that powerful?
Yes,
Why?
because your brain controls action.
And action controls results.
If the brain says stop, you stop.
If the brain says try, you move.
1. Train your brain with small wins.
What is the first step? Start small.
Very important.
Many people want huge change in one day.
Wake up at 4 a.m.
Study 10 hours.
Exercise every day.
Read 50 pages.
Then after 2 days, they quit.
Because the brain feels pressure.
Instead, start small.
Wake up 10 minutes early.
Read 2 pages.
Learn 5 English words.
Walk for 5 minutes.
Small wins teach the brain.
I can do this. 2. Control negative thoughts.
The brain talks all day.
Yes.
Sometimes it says bad things.
I am weak.
I always fail.
I am not smart.
Others are better.
But remember this.
Thoughts are not always truth.
Train your brain to replace bad thoughts.
Example, I can't do this. Change it to, I can learn slowly.
Change fear into growth. 3. Protect your focus.
The modern brain is distracted.
Very distracted.
Phone,
Social media.
noise,
Comparison.
endless scrolling.
A distracted brain cannot win.
So, protect focus.
Study one thing at a time.
Put the phone away.
Give your brain silence.
Silence creates clarity.
4. Build discipline.
Motivation is good, but discipline is stronger.
Why?
Because motivation changes.
Some days you feel strong,
Some days you feel lazy.
but discipline says,
Do it anyway.
train your brain to follow routine.
Sleep on time.
Wake up on time.
Practice daily.
Repeat healthy habits.
5. Learn from failure.
Many people fear failure,
Yes.
but failure teaches.
Imagine learning to ride a cycle.
You fall.
Then stand.
Try again.
Slowly, balance improves.
Life is the same.
Failure is not always defeat.
Sometimes failure is training.
6. Feed your brain good things.
What you watch matters.
What you hear matters.
What you read matters.
People around you matter.
If your mind hears only negativity,
It becomes weak.
if your mind learns useful things,
It grows stronger.
7. Practice patience.
Winning is not always fast.
Growth takes time.
Seeds do not become trees in one day.
The brain also grows slowly.
Be patient.
Keep going.
Real life example.
Let's imagine 2 people.
Okay.
First person wakes up late,
Avoids work.
thinks negatively,
Quits quickly.
always distracted,
Second person starts small.
learns daily,
Controls focus.
fails but continues.
Improves habits.
After 1 year,
Big difference.
because the brain followed training.
Final message.
Friends, winning begins in the mind.
Before success outside,
Build strength inside.
train your thoughts.
Train focus.
Train patience.
Train discipline.
Train courage.
Your brain listens to what you repeat.
So, repeat good habits.
Repeat effort.
Repeat learning.
Repeat growth.
One small decision every day can change life.
Slowly.
Quietly.
Powerfully.
Homework time.
Ask yourself one question.
What one small habit can I start today to train my brain?
Keep learning.
Keep growing.
Keep moving forward.
Train your brain to win.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.